Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install gaming services in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy the first command. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. First command will help you to remove the gaming service in your PC. Now copy the second command. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. This will open up a Microsoft Store and you can able to install the gaming service, guys. This is how you install the gaming service in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.